Hi, welcome back to Educator.com. Today's lesson will be building phrases and learning about form. Our lesson objectives for today will be studying strophic, binary, ternary, and theme and variations form, and we'll be creating melodies in each form. It's really important to be able to hear the form of either the classical piece, blues, jazz, rock, whatever form of music you're listening to. Once you know about usually the typical forms most music takes, you'll be that much more aware of it, and you'll be able to hear it more easily. So we're starting with strophic form. Strophic form, the reason why there's two A's there, it's the same verse, the same form over and over and over again. So a really good example of this is Michael, row your boat ashore. So this song, if you're not familiar with it, just does that over and over again. Michael, row your boat ashore, hallelujah. Michael, row your boat ashore, hallelujah. Na, na, na. And then the next line is something else about Michael rowing his boat ashore. And it's very basic, just the same words over the same melody. And it just goes on and on and on. And that's strophic form. Okay, so moving on, binary form is A, B. So we have two separate elements to the song. A good example of this song would be Blowing in the Wind by Bob Dylan. So the melody of Blowing in the Wind, how many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? Let me erase this. So if you want to write the words out with me, must man walk down. So, and then how many seas must a white dove sail, etc., etc., etc. So after he asks all these questions, after he asks all these questions, he comes to, here's A. The answer, my friend, is blown in the wind. So we'll play a little bit of this song. Okay, so. So that's the beginning verses. Starts on 5. And the chorus, the B part, goes down to 1. I started it in the key of F, and Bob Dylan plays it in another key. At any rate, this is a binary form. If you were to write your own binary form piece, you wouldn't have to have the first part of it repeat so many times. You can have a couple of measures of, and then you could go to the B section. That's a very simple example, and we'll get into more of this when we're writing our own melodies in each form later. At any rate, this is a very famous song, so you can understand there's only 2 parts to this song, and it just repeats. So